Rome's political structure set the stage for future dominance. Through relentless military campaigns.
This documentary-style video was created using the free AI video generator in Canva. With videos like this, some channels are making thousands of dollars a month, and I've spent thousands of hours researching how to make these videos for free, and no one on YouTube is talking about it. So you don't need fancy tools or professional skills to jump into this niche, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step for free in Canva. Step 1. Start with the script. A good script is the most important part of any interesting documentary video. Even a simple video with a great script can go viral, but a high-quality video with a bad script won't. So make sure to focus on this step. ChatGPT is a great tool to help you start writing your script, but always check it to see if you can make it even better. You can also get ideas from popular YouTube channels in your niche. For this tutorial, I'm only using ChatGPT to create the script. Just open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I'm creating a YouTube video documentary about the rise and fall of the Roman Empire, and I need a script that I can produce using Canva. The video script should include detailed scene descriptions and specific keywords that will help me find the right visuals in Canva. ChatGPT will provide everything you need: voiceover, scene descriptions, and keywords. However, for now, we only need the script to create the voiceover. Later, we'll use another prompt to generate videos in Canva. So now that you have your script ready, let's move to the next step, generating a voiceover. So copy the script and go create your voiceover. You can use any tool you like, but I recommend 11 Labs or Play HT for more realistic, high-quality voicing. For this video, I will use Play HT. Open Play HT and choose your voice. I found my narrator for this video here. So now I just need to copy part of the script, paste it here, click Generate, and then download. Now that we are done with that, the next thing we have to do is go over to Canva. Once inside, click on Video, and you will be redirected to a new page. Then scroll down to the Apps section and click on it. Scroll down again to the Trending section and select the Magic Media option. You'll find it here, so click on it and then click on Videos, and here on this field, you will enter the prompts. So go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. For each scene of the video, I need 2 detailed prompts, 40 words max, for an AI video generator in Canva. The prompts should match the narration, focusing on visual style, atmosphere, and key elements to represent the rise and fall of the Roman Empire. And the bot will give you 2 prompts for each scene. As you can see, it did a great job. Now, we'll copy the prompt, paste it into this box here, and click Generate Video. The video will be generated very quickly in just 1 to 2 minutes, which is really amazing. Also here, you can see that you have 50 credits, and each generation uses 1 credit, which is great. As you can see, our video is generated, so let's see how it looks. I think it's great. If you don't like it, you can generate it again. Now just click on the video, right-click, scroll down, and select Set Video as background. And now the video is set perfectly. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new page and repeat the same process for each generation, creating the videos one by one. The next thing you'll need to do is upload your voiceover and place it on the timeline. If we look carefully, between every 2 clips, we can also add a transition. Just click here where it says Add Transition and choose a transition to your liking. And usually, the dissolve transition works well, so be creative and see where you can place a transition or animation. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add sound effects and music. This step is very important to make your video stand out because music and sound effects bring life to your video. You can use sound effects from Pixabay or some other site, but you also have them in Canva. So, browse Canva's audio library for sound effects like risers, whooshes, and impacts, and drag these effects to specific points in your timeline. Adjust the volume as needed and match the tone of your video. For background music, choose something cinematic or thematic, a song that complements your visuals. Finally, to make the video truly authentic, you'll need to add captions. And yes, you can do that in Canva. First, you have to download this video and go back to your Canva dashboard. I will click here where it says Video, which will redirect me to a new window. And here we will upload our downloaded video. Next, we will go to Apps, type Captions, and open the first option. And now we just need to click Generate Captions, and they will be automatically generated. You can change the font, color, and effects, and customize them however you like. Finally, just download your video and you're done. And now, let's see the final result.
The Roman Empire, one of the greatest civilizations in history, began as a small city-state on the banks of the Tiber River in 753 before Common Era. From humble beginnings, it grew into a vast empire that dominated the Mediterranean world. In the 6th century before Common Era, Rome transitioned from a monarchy to a republic. With a system of elected officials and checks on power, Rome's political structure set the stage for future dominance. Through relentless military campaigns, Rome expanded its borders. By the 2nd century before Common Era, Rome controlled vast territories across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. Under the rule of Emperor Augustus, the Roman Empire entered a period of unprecedented peace and prosperity known as the Pax Romana, lasting from 27 before Common Era to 180 Common Era. By the 3rd century Common Era, internal conflict, economic instability, and invasions from barbarian tribes began to weaken the empire. The once unified Roman world started to crumble. In 476 Common Era, the Western Roman Empire officially fell, marking the end of an era. The Eastern Roman Empire, later known as the Byzantine Empire, would continue for nearly another 1,000 years. Though the Roman Empire may have fallen, its legacy lives on. The foundations of modern law, government, and architecture are deeply rooted in Roman culture.